Searching for money, yeah. Searching for money, yeah. Nebia enyam kofie, nebia enyam kofie. Tiosia kwa dia dia.
Very. Hey. Bro, tum, come on, tum. What's up? Man, the cafe feel about be something can one there. Huh? What's up? Bro, and this is not a matter about secret. When you secret, it's all about one is bet, bro. One is bet. Boys now, when they that car move, chichi or town, yes, secret, almost secret and one is bet. One is bed. Yes, of course. One is bed. You hear so a file phone. No, I could Google Play Store and an App Store. No, I download one is bed. No, I register with promo code WINRICH. And only code I'll bet me the disc here. And when you manage send back to home, we can register now. Minimum 300% bonus. Kuno, wow, dear. And he just send back to be me. So when he say, what do you can do? Chuck crown and wend the boy. Almost start me refund. You can 10% amount on paying up a day. Wow, baby. Ade boame. Sali won this can put it in ammonia bando na mon fan download dia was me boa.
No. So many guys yam power go that side yen said search money you dey paper no be city so dollar.
Students of today. Gangsta, Aka. The Juma Hawaii Dinty, a man for quick keys. Oh, yeah, will be baby, a man simple. AKABENEZER. I don't know, so child, dear French, and so Teda. I say, what we like on. The only man who a kong kong. On pair of our phone. Tell you what the enam womb. Now, Petty and I'm womb. About go forward, this school man, I was so. Branching is what I want in tea, this young so. And I'm for pa. I want it to one time. Like it. Only a students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, I go sing quan, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I go sing quan, this year no dear Amumpo. Students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, I go sing quan, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I go sing quan, this year no dear Amumpo. The man and me may part this year. I could be brown or mobile. Your back can be our mova. Your moya no more. 3940 on the gang. Chichiku and a shift. Stubborn boys and day for campus. I want to be like.
I thought you said you wanted to be the girls with. So have you seen how indecent it is? Now take off the bandana. Hey, take it off.
They spoil the brand.
In tacking.
Every day tacking, you must have
hey.
The goal left.
Champion.
So, is this your partner or what?
It's my friend.
Huh? This is school man will be almost no one.
Shut
up! Don't be silly. Which is school man now cook rough are they? Huh? Again how?
But you know that girl is my friend, so why are you dating her?
She's your friend. Who dating her?
You.
Me dating her?
I've seen you guys a couple of times.
Couple of time for what? Huh?
What you're doing is not fair. Stop it.
Why are you doing like that? Huh? Who need Jimbo to neko sabe bi obisebia na nene ko obese school man for nyina hu se bibi say yana. E dey the house ana.
You know I love you. That's
shut up. Don't mess thoroughly. I'm talking, then you talking.
You know I love you.
You love me, then you don't listen to my word. Huh?
By the way, I know he's one of those rascals. So, Abby, why are you being like this?
Like how?
I've spoken to you for like a very long time about my feelings towards you, but it seems you're just cutting me off, always ignoring me. Why?
Boys, I think the distance will be okay. I've told you. Because the kind of treatment Sister Lydia has been giving to me, like, It's
I've dealt with
unbearable.
that. I've dealt with that. So what else?
Really? I thought you said Ube deal with it, but still.
I've spoken to her and I've told her not to even touch you again. So what else?
This is me who are coding here. Me do crossing papa di me by school. That's why I'm doing this.
Now we do be saying oh papa or do by school. And the nipa na can't say my winty. Huh? Why doing like that? Why behave like that?
I'm sorry.
Every day you sorry. Huh?
Like I don't want to lose you. That's
Then
why.
pass on your man okra. What it? When you get any jana mo koko side the problem. Adai. She, my men can't say monchro. So person only me day teacher and anime tenacha. Me chira what I thought is I be using the school more. Me point ya no I fast no akọ me bag no. Na dia all the coffee. What it? Huh? Na me shia.
I love you.
Hey, how you do I say? Hey, what did you ask ko na be say the mon? What did you say with the down wood you ask you over over there?
I'm sorry. It's okay. Please.
Quittez là-bas, j'avoue. Hey, viens ici. Oui, j'avoue à Givois. Moi, tout au moins.
Moi, je paie.
Je paie, je paie. J'avoue, Givois.
What is she doing
Everything
now?
I do, she complains. Even if I do the right thing, she also complains. Like, I can't. Please, I think the distance, it's okay.
See, come on, like, don't just try to ignore me. As you've been doing, okay? Just talk to me. And I don't know what's wrong with her. I don't know why she can't just get over me. Or just, by the way, I promise to take care of it.
That's what you always say. I can't take the risk anymore. I'm sorry, please. Please, I think the distance is okay.
So are you working out on me? Abby. Lydia. Lydia is always messing up my life. I have to deal with her. Seriously.
Daddy, that's my daddy.
Wow. How are you doing? Wow. How are you doing? How is school? I've missed you.
Tell us what you find your clothes tomorrow. I don't know what to do, sir. And then I would dear free. Now I understand the owner now who did teachers for me. That's a whole year on report to me.
Who reporting?
Who report it?
You are just disgracing us, me boy.
Some of the pa me reporting.
Sir. Once I'm fine, renounce do not work me boy.
That's all now. Okay.
And that's all my friend the channel. I see us our pennies here, me boy. Just like that.
When you say Romeo, you won't catch it.
The
same thing I call my say Romeo, and my punishment.
Penny,
who you are saying say way, I say tempera.
say we.
I say we a friend teacher no.
Say friend teacher.
Say like it. What's any tempera? And also I say I born money and all punish.
Wow, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
How is school too? I hope you are learning.
That's Madame Day.
Wow, your madam? Okay.
Yes. Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
I'm Elia, saying you are.
I'm Debbie.
Okay, that's my daughter. I came to pay her visit. I had her call last night now to provide her some money and also some gift and a visit as well.
Okay. Daddy, please, that's my best friend, the
Your
one
best
I've been
friend?
talking about.
Wow.
Good afternoon, sir.
That's Jessica.
Yes, please.
Okay, Jessica. How are you?
I'm good.
I hope you are learning.
Yes, please.
All right.
Yeah.
Good. How are things going now?
Cool.
I bet you are getting close to your exam, so I know you are steady.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
What they attend and say to school.
So you can say Beduska. Enya hwe ntua sika no. Ye ne nim ge beye.
Na the scan here did you need to
You know what we can do.
What can you guys do? What will you do? What can you do?
You challenge
us.
You just talk. What can you do?
You challenge us.
Yes, I challenge you guys.
Challenge.
I dare you guys.
Duba. Na Malaysia.
Fitain na.
Mimi fitain na.
Hey, you can for the dog you home.
Dog you home. Mimi dog you school mo ade o ye ne betena pa.
Enter first time kasi we can o.
We are senior to Woodmi. School mo bi donyam se wo ye ne wanya.
Wo wu kwan ka ye bi.
School mo ye ne wanya. Oba sa ko boss like na man ye.
Yes.
Ono kle be kono so physical. E dey na say that.
Who say we first one? Hey, okobo teacher ni amani. Say Romeo. Eni be kan ya. Ni yes, you garan ki nya no. Enu so anti won so okobo teacher for. Into to the headmaster straight to. So, we need the we are going to say headmaster straight to. What is a fear ni be ko?
All right, madam. At the moment, I have to rush to the office, so I want to leave at the moment. So, how is she doing in school now, and how is her character, academics?
Her academics, it's brilliant. She's a good student and very respectful too.
Wow, thank God. That's what I'm expecting as a responsible father. That's why last night I had her call and I had to rush and check up on her.
Yeah, she's a very good girl.
All right, so so this is your money.
Thank you.
Madam, thank you for your good tutelage. And
you're welcome.
Jessica, just
thank
something.
You, sir.
So,
thank you.
If anything, you can give me a call. She has my delegates.
Okay.
I pray that you get it, and then if you give me any information necessary, let me know.
Sure, I will do that.
God bless you, madam.
Bless you too.
See you.
All right. Then.
You're a good girl.
I'm a good girl, Daddy.
I know. I believe you, you know. Sure.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Greet mommy for me.
I will, my
dear. Madam.
Because English teacher kurano or complain. And I was already call friend teacher so.
And we know the way the boys before was a house.
That's what Chinikasa would do for
Obeko headmaster, no headmaster, so because you're threatening. What's it? Yeah, threat to
say net threat.
Threat.
Ah, na say no say if you
no
master they say this.
I was been power 3 man can who answer one can headmaster.
And no the embom. I say nye bibia na catch master.
Just opa yen life man no nya do be.
Yen dey mean jan life man o. Kwan bia.
Who dey actually?
Me na me call mo do mo akote na twa naked pictures.
Ada kwai.
Ah, dem no na say do odi ati what them? Me man dem.
Harass no harassment.
Me ni gift be kasa na otwetwa no mame.
Utwa pictures na ma.
Utwa girl ni naked odwale a o.
No.
O se bata odwale a.
O ko hura kwai dey.
Me dey ko kire nse wan jan gym na e woni pictures class awa. Eno sa no timi fa yen ho asem nante. Eno sa no timi naked pictures dey nya bia ma no.
Ye no kura.
O de enko.
Yen ono naked pictures dey nya o de. Make sure fucking. Who dey slump na oka. Hey! Case we say headmaster ne frɛ ya na me yam shame me. E ko fie na nka me papa te ya. Bro. Woni sem papa, me kind the whole Ghana, je ni trimo odene pe en papa. We issue ben chale we issue ben. Me dem akonzi ye no. Me no metimi aka kiro say eno no nye problem o. Na mum guy no deserve it. What did I make you? Bet. They me ya. Hey, blood. What's up?
God, here's some news. What is that about?
We were there when administration called Makonzi that they demonetized him, and it's all because he has beaten a former student. Shall we issue the way as
Makonzi beating from one student.
Hey, Deba.
It's anyway. And then so, oh, friend, me crown.
Go back. What's that we have you, me boy? Ah, now won't you party as an apple and country? Ah, I don't want some tickets as a. What to me, Bogra will be told remove Babbetin, Passia, some number. I can't open alcohol. Madam Fom, I my fellow park, can you start to me about 2 1?
Na anya BSS school ya odia.
Na old school no dia. Ah, ya pet school no fapem, ya pet school no console, ya pet school no puntu. We have the school they grow. But we don't destroy the school.
Yeah, say French teacher or say whatever you call yourself. You're very careful. It's say the oye nyina no nyame wahu. Nyama oye ntina bri bia won pene so say me meba school wem. Na so boa. So far say school nyame dia hye me say me kasa nkere nkwala no. Eye dan a.
Why na dey say utim say ntika jeti ane. Ayi enkran ne odoko ne kanesi nom ne nkran ho akra ho no. Aha ne se bra ba pigi.
Wonim dia oye o hantira.
Ha?
Ne bra wa bono no. Enu ni hia yo. E bro ne de say no de me akra na me ye bibia. Akra no deserve say e bono. What you say? A giant penifo again, and you quite a walk crowd on side where they okotum. Hey,
The whole Makonzi.
the woman comes gay.
Yeah. So are you sure Makonzi got something to do with the Gina girl or what's up?
It's in wife. It's in shorty, Charlie. What's the talk?
Get to crown again, a baho. Get to, you get to Nabia at the tema again, a baho. What you say? Get no dear in some Makonzi, and an idea, no. Blow me what?
I know, Charlie.
Oh, now what crowd to me the church say, Penina again, no, Sabe to Misa.
Yo, listen. You all know say if Makonzi goes suspension, we all will get problem. Do you know that?
Yeah, that one will be true.
So why people know they listen to advice, they still continue to do that?
Charlie, we they listen, we talk, we make you listen.
Wonim dia oye.
E dey na minimum me ye wo ha.
Na last time okay kan wa dwen kire me no.
Massa, we je vous.
Mama kan come say.
Ya rien yam foi. Ya rien, vous avoir de guerre.
Oh, me de me no nko.
Barrier chez vous.
Ensenya me akwa se otonesa. Nemum e warning na me de ma o.
Christojiri.
Me ba na kuku bie mani.
Ya vous do marché.
Obie mani.
Oui ça va.
Obie mani.
Pas trop quoi pas.
Mama kan nta se bi nkire o. On say last a week mu ho no. Woni lady bi kokko. Woni ne di nkomo na. O kan se hunu a kire na. O se ne pe na. And a student bi pie so.
Like what say?
But what be me ba o me say wo say we school nim.
Yes of we le bono po
o say be hye nkom nsa bia o ka masa ko.
Me
fa on
me nko.
So for
masa
for a new school how.
Die nyame aka kire me.
Die nyame me de bia nyame ka.
Wona won kwa nyame na o ka sa.
Bia nyame ka sa mo kire.
Enche bia o. Munyuma na mu da na di wo school ma nyina e be ba wie. Na ye be pam mo de sa akoko.
Ye be pam ye sa akoko.
Sa kwala na mo so
kanka bi
me kwa ko headmaster.
Wonko masa. Don't joke with me. Risez-vous. Je m'appelle Rapou. Out.
O ka bema.
Waka bema.
Se ne tie bia.
Bema me ka asem to se cap ne ye ma se den ye be hwiegu.
Awfo do mo ma ba ha na.
Ye hwie so ese mo papa. Ni mo ba ne se bebre. Wo ma hwie cap no fa na cap na ka si.
Me
if Makonzi goes suspension, let's pray after the 2 weeks. When he comes back, he will stay. But if Makonzi go off, throw away from the school, guy, we go call commotion.
It go happen.
We go come out commotion.
It go happen.
Because we can't want them to throw Makonzi out from the school.
Yeah.
Because Makonzi be the all boss. Don't forget that.
Yeah, I know.
Without Makonzi, we are nothing. You know that.
Right now, what you must do is you must gather the boys. Like something like demonstration. I mean, young Ghana boys.
The same thing I'm talking about.
Also, Makonzi back. Makonzi must come back.
Charlie, I get you. But do you know something? We can't like biao, Jaba. I can't say, na so na edene. So, and then you can say idea what's a penny in Saka, do Saka. It's here, I can say, be a can keko. A one fancy be. And now, okay,
what I say.
Oh,
okay, can okay.
Say the second.
Oh, okay. So, are you the one pay her school fees?
How's a man?
So for everybody ma to me lady.
So for
who crosses.
What you say now?
Say I go be Jimmy me dia ba to na ti so for na fe wo say offer Jesus
essa form. Se bibi a sikura na na me onye nya. Wo dia ma don yo mo.
Ati. Na destroy school na. Come on go.
Nyame ba yense nyane. Nyame ba yense nyane.
So for who crosses the be that. Wait to you so dem preach.
And nyame aka cha me sao no mo dey game boy. Dey obe win sao no mo dey game boy so. You be win obe say boy na dey sabo nsa boy na kwa akoto Benz na odem.
What say?
Oto Benz ni wi ya o so obe wu sa na boy na akoto Range Rover.
You.
No wato Range Rover mo no odem. What it? Now on na hair cap on wo bobra na cap on yema. Hwie so.
Keche. Minimum sofu bi.
Wo ba be yi.
Like minimum sofu bi wo ma ko be sawa so dem wa scale di guru nya wi aransa bubuto so.
What? Misu odi ube no atojo mapata.
We sofu we. Fa dey shinu kwati kura.
Body kwan so nko. John like you.
Let me see the minimum say incredible kura no munku. Say sofu we.
No, are you the one paying her school fees? You are here telling me you're the insecurity. Guy, are you guys serious? Now look at the problem you caused.
Yo. This is not the right time for us to be talking about blah blah blah. Let's find a situation to bring Makonzi back in the school.
Then you always have to listen to advice. Definitely, Makonzi will come back. Like, let's be careful. If Makonzi not throw out of this school, we are all dead. Guy, I was doing something before I came here. I'll get back to you guys.
Yo, so now, Charlie. Now exams, now you know.
Exams do waiting. Am I the one processing the papers? Nonsense.
John boy, Charlie's right now. For me, crowdy, say crowdy, moody and you. My boy, no deserve it. Me still now, me back my conzi. Share my conzi dear, yeah, and one boy, dear, and say, boy, Jimmy, only my dear.
Hope we stop to it. So what if Erica's compound? It's not fit to pray that she will understand you are yet telling up my God.
Yeah.
Wait.
Fadel, what are you trying to do? Relax.
You called us, right?
Marvin, relax.
No, are you trying to tease my friend?
Relax. I called you, alright? I called you to explain. Relax. Just hear me out.
Okay.
Efia. Look, Erica, I'm sorry. It's true, I wouldn't have done this. I'm sorry, alright? I doubted your love. When Ruben came in and all this stuff, I began to fear. I had to do something. She's nothing. She's nothing for me. Just a friend. Alright? She's just a friend. He was just acting. I was just testing you. Okay, it's true. I doubted your love. When Ruben came in and all this stuff, I had to do something. Okay, yeah. Look,
Eric,
wait.
Let's listen.
I'm still talking.
So it was just an acting.
My dear, all was acting. Just
Please.
to find
I'm sorry.
America. That's all.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you guys are just friends. It's my birthday.
I'm sorry for doubting you. Okay. The thing is this. When Ruben came in and all this stuff, I had to ask her to help me test you. So we were just acting. This is what happened. Yo, Philly.
Yeah, what's up?
Hope you're there.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I wanted you to help me. You know my girlfriend, right?
Erica?
Yeah, Erica.
Yeah, for sure.
Please, I want you to help me make her jealous. Can you do that?
Like how?
Like, you just have to play my girlfriend for a little bit of a while. Please.
Campusana mu. You didn't anticipate it.
Show that thing.
Oh no.
It be me. Your guy.
What's up, Charlie? I know it be you.
Help me do that thing. You are the only one. You are the only person that can help me. Please.
Oh, Pamela. Come
on, you know I love Eric. You know I love Erica.
Then why all these things?
I cannot just say, alright? I can't tell you anything right now. But at the end of the day, you will understand everything. Please, I'm begging you. You are the only person I have for this job.
This one, dear, I can't.
I need you. Charlie.
Now don't want to record that I want to make her feel jealous.
I cannot tell you. I know you are a good actress. Just act for me, alright? Be my girlfriend for like a little bit of while, okay? A little while, and then you understand. You understand later. I don't have to explain, please.
No, I can't.
I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Look, if you want me to kneel down, I'm begging you.
Alright, I'll give it a try.
I don't want you to try. I want you to do it. Play it well.
Then go and play it yourself. I'll give a try to 8. That's all.
Really?
Yeah. I'll give it a try.
You doing chichis, eh?
So?
Shabby, you go do one. You go do one. Actually, you go do one.
Mr. Med Fryer.
I'm sorry. It will not happen again. I'm sorry. I will never doubt you again. Sorry. I missed you, my bad girl. God, I missed you.
They pay you, girl. Come on, you girl. I'm sorry, okay? Sorry for everything. Sorry.
Tina.
Richard.
Until you see that Benabet.
Richard. Me home, so me cause I'm in the one na me bo. Me don't free my come buy me strong say be a me de makoma be ma worry na o say ba bet makoma.
Usuru de. Ti, usuru de. De ntina usuru.
The bio o say campus the we was ya jide you know. Say me de makoma be ma wa girls no.
Eno ni ade a Ghana for a man do na moye enfonso wo. Obi gidin a eno nche se bi nipa ne din no so chana so de ho no. Me family kran kan fo me ho. Me na me ma samwajan ya samwajan.
Hey Richard.
Yes we samwajan ena de ma me.
Hey Richard.
Hwe na me ne ye training. E wa Accra Eastleigh.
Wow.
The fie no ben White House enche ho. You treat me pete free kick be bongo say one of the jesu ma me.
Hey Richard.
Me na me ma Sunderland for.
You know you good though. Sir?
Yeah, me enti na me ka se ti ma se.
The Richard, me say me do free my
me boa. Under 20.
I'm saying din ko man na so na girl na my din ko no so jai me get na ya wo.
Ti ye din ko mo ya sam na de chen mo di no. Ti e so mo ti e di.
Ti Richard, we sure say me de makoma ma wa won ti makoma.
Wa kuma so de ma me awurade. Enya be me bia so na se de akoma ma. Unya be mo beti wase obodo what you say.
So long be ma wa jide si de o say school more girls nya na check you.
Manu blame the double race. Manu ni baby. Fa say wa jide ni e de ya twinchen. What you say? O mu say wa jide e na ebiem kra no. Say Dina wajinu kra na ohwe won dia power bank service be bi kra na kenyo no be ba be dey. Abefa what you say?
Power on ya da wan confirm man inside there enye the M vibe what you say? Ti ase. O say school dey obi aboni din bet je nto mo boni din ya e bo na obo no. Enti no mo yesa what you say? Ti ase manu. Ah, oni obi account.
Ti we Richard.
Let's show. Brother they do you did it.
Richard.
The my brother they do.
Eh you for do sagiva.
Say madam Nigeria do be sametonum.
So you sure say me de makoma man na want makoma.
Akoma tie bi no madam.
Me tu akoma de. Akoma tie de eyemusuo. Emusuo bi ofo say e abi.
Say ya.
Richard.
No.
No anything.
So when you say taboo, ni nua ba ko ni abuse.
Hey Richard.
Abuse ni taboo. The same. But she ade ba ko ame. Me mpese me de be ho ame ho pa. Ene say me say me na me ma Ghana Brasta Steven Apia. Me na manage din. Me na ne ye bobo bi match ni wo ye den. Ye papa ya la ena ye boje so bi ba reach ye fa ho to fa na me pija bobi. Top angle. Peter say Bansi ya no den boki. She say ya. Kwan ye man captain of the Brasta. Me my records be bree but ya me pese meka. What you say?
So you sure say want to makoma.
Enti forget wa kuma de me tia ye de. Me do. Why? Me do. Na me kra me unmi say oba osra na fono empuma se me mpe no. Yes, sir. Hey,
next on Students of Today.
Said your school head teachers for be and headmaster no a 2 woman no asimi so obu ho me certificate you kura me no etimi kyerɛ deɛ wɔ France ba headmaster na mu kwan ne deɛ ntimi kyerɛ deɛ wɔ France madam I'm not a kid and I'm not a child.
Master, you maybe go to school more. If he doesn't fear with it, like Master, because you say friend teacher no, and your mom watch any day, Master, yen tears here.
Last time I made me team back only a job. Can you tell me what is going on between you and her?
Branches why one thing to this young so, and I'm for pa. I want it to one time. Like it.
Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, yo. Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, yo. Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo.
The man and me this year, I could feel brown or mobile. Your back can be our monfa. Your moya no more yo. 3940 on any gang. Checheku and a shefo. Stubborn boys, them day for campus. I'm with me, I like it wolf. Or chair French, and I must want it. When I want to cast a conforce a call. Best I could in the class. Or console when you're in the class. We all bounce was a foul to bed your mark.